Hey, what's up XRP coin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? The XRP condition is something very badly falls down. You can see this time XRP price, so the condition is very critical now, and you can see here 1.16 USD dollar. This is the highest price, but in last 3 days you can see here the price has come down to 1.09. so definitely why the prices falls down, what's my price prediction, and what's my technical analysis, my friend. At the end of month, can they will give you a profit or not? Let's start a brand video, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see here, my friend, this time absolutely the XRP huge pump is here, and this time you can see the price will hit. Now you can see here 1.22 USD dollar, my friends, but today the current price is 1.09 USD dollar. So definitely that's mean to price is again dumps down very badly. After this point you can see they were fails down to here, and the price is come to 1.09 USD dollar. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to after a short jump they will absolutely very badly fails down. So therefore they were fails down, but don't worry, my friend. This time also this coin is in the profit. So therefore I hope, my friends, I am 100% sure to in upcoming time they will give me a very good profit. But for that you will need to hold down and starting, my friends, holding. Otherwise if you starting selling, then remember to you are very badly fails down. So my prediction is going 100% positive for all viewers, my subscriber. This is my personal opinion to please hold, don't starting selling. Remember to at the end of month they will give you a profit. See you next time XRP coin holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.